Hey there, welcome. Are you ready to learn some really simple, super useful English for when you're in the kitchen? Okay, let's get started. All right, here's what we're gonna do. It's super simple. First, we'll learn 10 new cooking phrases. Then, we'll see them in action in a little cooking story. And to finish up, we'll have a quick quiz, just to see what you remember. Let's jump right into our first section. We're going to learn each new phrase one by one. Listen carefully, and you can even try saying them with me. All right, our very first phrase is takeout. Let's say it again. Takeout. It just means to remove something from a place. I take out the vegetables. Next up, we have cut up. Say it with me. Cut up. This means to cut something into small pieces. For example, you can say, I cut up the carrots. Phrase number 3 is turn on. One more time. Turn on. This just means to start a machine or maybe a light. For example, I turn on the stove. Okay, our next phrase is put in. Let's hear it. Put in. This means you place something inside of something else. Like this. I put the vegetables in the pot. Now let's learn this one. Mix up. Again, mix up. This means you stir things so they go together. An easy example is I mix up the soup. Now let's look at heat up. Can you say it? Heat up. This simply means to make something warm or hot. For instance, I heat up the food. This is a really useful one. Let it cook. Let's try it. Let it cook. This means you just allow the food to be on the heat for a while. For example, I let it cook for 20 minutes. And now we have turn off. Say it again. Turn off. This is the opposite of turn on. It means you stop a machine. For example, I turn off the stove. After we cook, it's always important to clean up. Let's say it, clean up. This means you make a place nice and tidy and clean. For example, I clean up the kitchen. And our last phrase for this section is serve up. One more time, serve up. This means you put food on a plate so people can eat it. For example, I serve up the soup. Great job! Now you're going to see how these words are used in real life, so watch carefully. First, I take out the vegetables from the refrigerator. I cut up the vegetables. I put the vegetables in the pot. I add water and mix up the soup. Then, I turn on the stove. I heat up the soup and let it cook for 30 minutes. Finally, I turn off the stove and clean up the kitchen. I serve up the food. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Did you notice these words in our story? Take out, cut up, turn on, put in, mix up, heat up, let it cook, turn off, clean up, and serve up. Now let's see what you remember. It's time for a quick quiz. Question number 1. What do you do to start the stove? You turn on the stove. Okay, next question. What do you do with a knife and vegetables? You cut up the vegetables. And question number 3. After you finish cooking, what do you do to make the kitchen tidy? You clean up the kitchen. Okay, this last question is for you. I am hungry. I will blank the food. Is the answer heat up, clean up, or turn on? Go ahead and write your answer in the comments below. You did such a great job today learning these new cooking phrases. Thank you so much for joining me. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.